Used to keep it cool, used to be a fool, all about the bounce in my step. Watch it on
Let's fucking do this, bud.
you gonna do?
It's gonna be a good time, Casey. I don't care if we make it a mile or if we make it the whole way.
We're making it the whole fucking way.
We're gonna have fun.
Watching the world go.
1999 off the line.
Gotta remember, go back.
Okay, she's fast, Casey.
Yeah, she's fast. We're already caught the fucking line, bro. Remember, start through here first lap.
Yep.
Leading me to different tracks. Positive that where I'm at is not why I should stay in last. Told you look into the mirror and say I love you. Convince yourself that no one in the world would ever want to. Passing by the people that have been there to support you from the get.
Fuck yeah, dude. We're gonna have a good day.
Think so.
We're already on these dudes' asses.
I'm convinced that I predicted all my wishes won't be hurt cause I'm committed to the light and feeling safe is unrealistic when I'm drifting. Watching the world go round. World go, yeah,
Remember, take that fast line on the right.
Yep.
When we get to this good shit.
Is that double D? Nope.
How do you want to play this?
It's gonna go around.
Okay, siren.
Yep.
Stay in it, bud. You got it. Good job, good job. Good recovery.
That fucker drove into us.
Good recovery. Shake it off. Let's see the next one. Dude, we are fucking moving.
Yep.
Already picked off 4 cars. We're doing good, boys.
Good job, boys. Let's get 'em.
How's RPM?
Fucking 8250, bud. Temps are at 184. I don't have the fan override on.
Kick it on.
Yeah, we're chilling like 82.5. Fuck yeah, dude. Good job.
Chernos just pissed me off.
Yeah.
I'll smoke that motherfucker next time.
That was candles? Alright, this is Felix. Out of the way, Felix. Fuck yeah, dude, good job. This bitch is ripping.
I'm telling you what, we're gonna have a good day if she holds up.
Yeah, we're sitting at like 82. I haven't seen 83 yet.
Copy.
Temps are great. Voltage is great.
Felix is probably losing his mind watching us gap him.
Keeping smooth through this section, and then we got a fucking freeway back to lap 1.
Yep. hanging in there?
What's that?
Engine Tim's alright?
Yeah. Stay straight. Sweeping left. My hands off for reaping. Good save. Oh! I take Opal good for a ride.
Yep, that's Kate's old car.
You gonna go through the right side of the proving grounds, or?
Yep.
There we go. Motherfucker.
Come on, Julie.
Another one. We got a whole bunch up here.
Yep, I see him.
That's a YXZ, right?
The only place they're fast is right here.
Yeah. Sweeping right.
What the fuck are you doing?
Why are you stopping?
Oh fuck, I can't see shit, Casey. I can't. Why am I lit? I can't see anything. Alright, we're good.
Here, I'll do throttle.
Okay, got it. Alright, I'm passing this motherfucker now. God damn it! I couldn't see straight.
Are you good now?
Yeah.
Okay. Left. sucks.
Yes, it does. We'll get him though.
Yeah, we'll get him. He obviously
Hold it wide open, hold it wide open. Alright. There's Dad's dad.
There's a car stopped on my side.
Okay.
Right. Into another 90 left.
Trevor and Thad.
There's Trevor. That's Trevor in front of this dude.
Yep.
Big sweeping right. Left. Right. 1999 through race mile 10. Let him get caught up in Trevor and grab him. Good on visor?
No.
I hold it through the hot pit. The fuck out of the way! Oh shit, we got one on my side, one on my side.
I know.
Left. Don't be dumb, Robert. Don't be dumb.
I know.
I'm just saying, don't
I just fucking popped his tire.
Yeah, you did. Right. 90 left. 1999 coming through hot pits. Looks good. Check.
Hold it wide open. Hold it wide open. Hold it wide open.
Right here on the left. Go past us right now.
No, do we have a front left flat or not?
No, they gave. Okay. I gave him one.
No, I know. I just wanted to make sure we're good.
God damn it! Casey, I can't see shit again. Oh, no, don't hold the light. I can't see. I can't see. Alright, here you go. That's so fucking annoying not being able to see. I feel bad for that Yamaha, but he kept fucking doing it to us.
Yeah, fuck that dude. He had plenty of chances to move.
How many people behind us?
That Yamaha.
The Yamaha's still behind us?
Yeah. So either they did a super fast tire change or he fucking sent it.
Yeah, he doesn't know it's flat, probably.
Remember, there's a speed check up here.
Yep, 25.
And then stop fully at the... We'll grab all these guys through the moon bumps. Alright, 25.
Yes, sir. Hold her. Hold her. Okay.
Let's hunt these ones down, boy. Temps are still looking good. RPMs are great. Dad's gonna get us passing him in the fucking moon phones. Watch.
What's that?
Dad's gonna get us passing him in the moon phones.
That would be rad.
Because we definitely make up time here. A lot of it.
Why?
Just because they got beat by us. I knew he knew it was gonna happen. Dude, this bitch eats.
Yes, she is. Siren.
It's on. Looks like we got clear for a little while.
Copy.
The next one's about a half a mile out.
Hold her wide open. Hand me the rag. He got stuck in something.
What happened?
The rag got stuck in something for a second.
Oh,
How's RPM?
80, 83, 84.
Perfect. Hayden's dad just said don't rev it past 84 very much.
We're like tickling high 84s.
Copy.
45 left. Into 45 right. Through right, mile 3, looking good.
Will you wipe the camera in the middle? I'm sure it's fucking, it didn't record shit.
Oh, dude, it's coated in fucking mud.
Yeah. Anybody coming up behind us?
No, we got a gap for a while. We're like kind of in the middle of everybody.
Copy.
Dude, we picked off a lot.
Yeah. How's RPM?
82.
Okay.
We get up to 84 on the hard pack.
Yeah, I think that's a mile per hour thing, not a rev into, I think.
90 left.
It's fucking crampy.